BJP government is in an extreme hurry, to bring the 6th casino in the Mandovi. Breaking all rules and trying to bring it within these 3 days. The malevolent intention is, we don't know whether it is by-elections, by-election or Panchyat election. But this is going to be done, and at the rate and at pace which is unbelievable. They have given it to Gopal Kanda. Gopal Kanda, under the Gambling Act, is very clear that you can't have a person who is fugitive, or rather who is a person who has been charged under the law, or rather a lawbreaker, to give a casino. They have broken all rules to see that casino has been given to him. Subvented everything. Even in the house assurance dilole Manor Parikaran, Chief Minister, he upon Anian casino adapana Mandovi. In spite of that, Kotan Tekospa Lawan, he has been told to go to court, get reprieve there. In that reprieve, there was nothing mentioned that you give the license. They have just asked to see the application. All setting the BJP government, who called the Congress chores, the Congress robbers and all this. I want to ask the BJP what to call them. From U-turns it has become V-turns, and from V-turns it will go to what, I don't know. And where is the Goinkar port?
सरकाराचे गॅम्बलिंग ऍक्टाचेर एक गुड्डुला सावा चल्ल्यात. कसिनोचे स्कॅम मायनिंगा परस खंय मोठे.
Large scale, even Gambling Act is subvented. The Act is very clear where there is live gaming and where there is slot machines. Even there they are playing a fool with the people and playing a fool with the. This will be another plan, sinister plan to finish, and this will be another mining scam after few years.
Bureau Report, Prudent.